Looking at layer 1, or the physical layer, as I mentioned in the introductory slides to the OSI model, it's natural for me to just say that it defines the electrical, the mechanical, and the procedural values for activating a link. But really, like I said, it's all of the specifications that should be defined for the medium that would allow it to transmit data. So it defines a relationship between a device and this transmission medium, for example, copper or fiber cable. So copper would need an electrical signaling, fiber would need a light signaling. So it would include the pinouts of the adapters. We can see a number of those adapters here. It would also define the voltages that should be used and the line impedance. It also would be specifications of the cable and the cable length and the signal timing for the cable or for the data transfer. So these are different examples of serial cables, Ethernet cables, and even fiber optic cables. So just to summarize what we've covered throughout this lesson as an overview for CCIE security candidates, the 7-layer OSI model is what characterizes and standardizes our communication system by breaking that system up into multiple layers. Those layers are the application layer, the presentation layer, the session layer, the transport layer, network layer, data link, and finally, the physical layer. Now, each of these layers, of course, has a specific function that they provide, which allows for data communication. And of course, understanding this model is going to assist you when you configure your security features, when you troubleshoot, and when you are trying to define policy and you really want to make sure that you're matching traffic in a proper way. So that's it for our OSI model lesson. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.